Well, what did you guys think of that intro? Is that cool or what? Lincoln's Uncle Ryan, who's my brother-in-law, he made that for us, and it is fantastic. We just love it. So we just want to say thank you, Ryan. We really appreciate it, man. And then also, if you guys wanted to follow Ryan's YouTube channel, he has RGH Farms. So that one's really cool. It's about farm life and, certain things that you can do on the farm and kind of growing up on a farm and stuff. And we'll put the link in the description for that one. All right, on to the video. Thanks again, Ryan.
Hello everybody. So today we're testing out some new microphones. Hopefully you guys can hear us better. We're outside, so hopefully there's a little bit of a breeze, but we'll be all right. Anyway, today we're going to show you guys how we take the sled deck on and off the truck by myself or whatever using our contraption that we built. So we built this hoist to take the sled deck or the canopy on and off my truck or my buddy's truck or whatever. So yeah, we'll show you guys how this works. So here's the sled deck on the back of the truck. My brother was really nice to make these wooden platforms for me so that they don't dent the bottom of the box where these ribs are. It's actually contoured underneath with a router and stuff. It raises the sled deck up a little bit, but that's okay. I'd rather protect the box. So that's on all four of the legs. And then we actually just have ratchet straps in here connected to the factory hooks. And I know that there's going to be a lot of comments and a lot of arguments that this isn't legal or insurance won't cover it or anything. And I can assure you that that's wrong, because in the Alberta Traffic Act, the BC Traffic Act, the Highway Acts, the Commercial Vehicle Acts, everything where it involves you carrying a load, it's kind of just the law says that the load has to be secure. So as long as my sled deck is secured to the truck and the sleds are secured to the sled deck, we're totally legal. This is just a very fast and quick and easy and convenient way to mount the sled deck in. And I've been doing this for 6 years and never had an issue. It's never come loose, never, kind of stretched never stretched the straps, nothing. It just works. So here, give me the phone, buddy. And I'll show you guys down inside. So here you can see there's the factory hook and the ratchet strap that I've got to the sled deck. And so I've got one in that corner, this corner. We got one up in that corner and in this corner. Right now, those ammo boxes in the front are just stuck up there. They got my tire chains in it. Just because when we go to the mountains, we bring the tire chains with us. But as you guys can see, there's no snow and summer's upon us. It's camping season. We got to get the sled deck off the truck. Oh, hello there. Yeah, it's me, Chris, and coming to you live from inside my box underneath the sled deck. So in order to take this out, we got to undo these ratchet straps, and they're not that hard. We just kind of, there's one in that corner. Roll over. And one in that corner. Now I can scooch back, unplug our electrical. This is for our lights. We'll undo that corner. And we'll undo this corner. Now, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'll pull it out here so you can see. I carry turnbuckles and a wrench with me just in case something happens with one of those ratchet straps. That way I can actually secure the sled deck back into the truck just as kind of a backup. All right, I'm going to scooch out of here and then we'll back the truck up and we'll show you guys how we pull the sled deck off. All right, well, look at that, guys. We're all done. Truck's back to a regular truck again, ready for camping season. But I want to show you guys something really quick. We put a 4-inch lift on the truck, and I feel like a beached whale whenever I'm trying to climb up inside here. Oh, I'm getting too old for this stuff, so we put this little step on here. It's really cool. Just drops the step down like that. Climb up in the truck. Anyway, super handy, like $250 off Amazon. That's it. We're gonna put the wood blocks away, and sled deck will get ready for winter storage. Just got to do a couple things to it, summer storage. What am I talking about? Winter storage. And then we'll be ready to put it back in for next season. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.